What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. Gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. It is a busy day today. It's Saturday. This place is gonna be jam-packed. I never come here on Saturdays because of how crazy busy it is. Almost all the carts are gone, but they are running 50% off all items except white tags. I bet you it's all white tags left. All right, so first things first, we got some cool DVDs here, some box sets. Alias, that one's probably not gonna be good. Foils War, $4. But again, we're trying to find things that aren't white, so they're gonna be half off. So this Indiana Jones is only $2.50. Feels complete in there. These are all Wii games. That's only $2.50. That actually might be good. Throw it in the cart for now. I mean, $2 for a game, you really almost can't beat that. Mario Sonic at the Olympics. I think somebody originally had it priced at $3 and they jacked it up to $8 for some reason. Not sure why. But I'm gonna do some digging in here, see what I come across, and hopefully we come across some goodies. Oh, Guilty Party for $2.50. It's not terrible. Brave for $2.50. Not terrible. Got some holiday collections and lots of DVDs here. It is crazy. Alright, so I'm looking at all the Blu-rays here, and I thought I got really lucky. If you see what I see, and if you know anything about Blu-rays, Free Willy on Blu-ray is super valuable. I'll pop up the price of the valuable one. It's just the original Free Willy. It's worth over $100, about $150 the last I checked. This one, it's worth about 10 bucks. So leaving this one behind, but I thought I got really lucky for a split second. I have found some good DVDs. We'll go over some of them in a little bit, but I might check over some of the books and then head to the toys and games and see what we find there. There's this whole side of DVDs as well that I have not checked yet. It looks like Good Eats with Alton Brown. A whole bunch of sealed ones. I have no idea if those are going to be worth it. Then there's just some interesting midnight special. I think I looked that up. It wasn't worth anything. Whole bunch of horror movies up here. Some of those could be good. What is this? I have no idea. So we're just going to do some digging. Hopefully we find some more. Here's the cart, little sneak peek. All right, well, we're moving on down the store now. We got some Mickey and Minnie. This might be good. 10 bucks though. Holy cow. That's what that 9 means down there. That's $10. Let's shake it. I don't know about that. Seems expensive, and there's like weird, like, looks like a toenail floating around in there. That's weird. And this one doesn't, oh, $8. Ah, there's too small. I think we'll leave those behind. All right, looking at the mugs. Found a Starbucks mug. North Carolina, it's $5. Starbucks Been There collection. There's a little bit of money in this, I think. Is this Starbucks also? This might be. Yeah, it's an older one. You Are Here collection, North Carolina. $5 each. Maybe I could lot them up. I'll throw them in the cart for now. Those are kind of cool. Some Starbucks mugs do better than others. Do I see any others? I do not. So there were 2 here. Happy birthday. Yeah, no. Okay, hey, well, found some Starbucks mugs, cross that off the list. So as we walk down closer towards the toys, I always pass this wall filled with items in plastic baggies, and you know, I think I've only ever found something in these bags once, maybe twice. Do you guys ever take a look through these, maybe flip through them? And if you have, let me know what you found in here. I usually just find it to be little tchotchkes and things that are never, ever worth it. I'm very curious to hear if you've ever found any hidden gems in this area, because normally I just pass it right up. Little Bruins guy. Oh, it's baby. Oh, what happened to his eye? Oh, no, he got... You suck.
Oh
no,
that's not fair.
I'll film that too.
Sorry, buddy.
On the other side of the wall, away from that Baby Yoda, I found a Monopoly Lord of the Rings. I've done pretty well selling these before in the past, and they only want $3 for it. I scanned it in to make sure the price was still good, and yes, it is. It is going in the cart, and we're gonna keep looking down this wall right here. So we should buy our puzzles from here. Look at that big 2,000 piece puzzle. $13. That seems expensive. 13 bucks. Selling for 50. That is a score. So I'll spend 13, even though I don't want to. Now this, on the other hand, SpongeBob Life. I've sold this game multiple times. It should be 35, 40, selling for 58 right now, but there's 40, so it's probably closer to $50. So that's not bad. Brand new, it's 90. So I don't know if all the pieces are in here, but they're only asking $1.99, and you could sell like each one of the little pieces in here separately, like the characters, the spinner. So worst comes to worst, you could tell somebody cut it open. So odds are they checked and it is missing a piece or two. Yeah. But we'll check again later, so I'll throw it in the cart. Elephant, the elephant, see him blow. I blow butterflies everywhere I go. Do you remember that commercial?
No.
I do.
Butterflies everywhere, watch them go!
And it's $3, and the rank's a little high, but it's selling for $50. The rank might be a little high because it's selling for $50, so $33. You might be able to drop the price $10 and actually get a pretty decent sale. I think I'm gonna do that. That's pretty cool. All right, so I've been going through all of the hats up here, and there was a cool little orange Syracuse hat with this guy on it. It's $4 and it's a lacrosse hat, so probably not great, but I did find a few cool ones down here. We have vintage, I think it's from the 80s. It's not in the best shape, but it's just a local Union hat made in USA. It's 99 cents. I just have to clip a couple threads, make it look newer. Grab this Max D. It's a Monster Jam monster truck hat, and I cannot find anything with the brand Max D or the truck Max D anywhere online. And I see other Monster Jam hats selling for about $25, $35, and this one's only $2.99, so I'm gonna snag that. And then this is kind of cool. It's the New Day. It's a type of WWE hat, and it's almost brand new looking. It's $5, but I can't find this exact one. One sold for $100, but it was autographed, so that's probably why it sold, not the hat itself. But I bet you I can get 25, 30 bucks for that. I don't know. I don't really sell hats too much, but this one's almost mint, so we'll snag it. Ugh, cart's really starting to pile up. Gonna have to be a little more picky. All right, take a look at this SpongeBob hoodie. What is going on? It's actually kind of cool though. On the front, has them also. A little hairy. And then down the sleeves, SpongeBob. The only issue is it's $13. All right, coming up on some electronics here. Let's see if we spot anything worth anything. There's a 360, it's half off, so it's only 20 bucks. But it has no cords, no controller, nothing. 20 bucks, that's still probably too much. What else do we have? We have a little CD player thing. No, here's a blood pressure monitor without any attachments. Ugh. I remember these. You guys remember these camcorders that use the little mini discs? $8 sold as is, probably doesn't work, so that can stay. Besides that, I'm not really seeing much in terms of profitable electronics. So I think we might get this Logitech Wingman. No, I'm joking. This is probably worthless. I just picked up a similar one of these. This one's really yellowed. It's not showing up very well on camera. It looks white on camera, but I wouldn't sell this if it was yellowed this bad. So we'll leave that. But some of these Sony Dream Machines go for really good money. Looking through the jackets here, I just picked up a Giants satin jacket. This is a Pro Line kind of big puffer jacket. It is $25, which really isn't bad. It still has the hood. The only issue is some staining on the back. It's not terrible. It's like some ink stains. I don't think it would come out. It might, but I highly doubt it. What would you guys do on this thing? It's a really nice puffer jacket. Looks like there's one other little stain there, but mostly just these. Yeah, besides that, it's in great shape. $25. Dang. Dang. I don't know what to do. So right up to there, where I am going through all the board games, we spotted this Disney DVD bingo. 13 bucks, seemed expensive, but it is sealed, so that's cool. And then I flipped it over and there was a barcode over the barcode, so when I scanned it, nothing came up. I could tell it was already peeled back a bit from somebody else that tried and they couldn't get it all the way off, so they left it. I peeled it off, it took me a couple seconds. I was able to read that barcode, type it in, and there we go. It has a decent rank, lots of reviews, selling for $70. 70 bucks. and it's 13. So that is a score. We are taking it. All right, so I had to cut open the Monopoly Lord of the Rings just to double check, and all the money's in there. The box is in a little rough shape, but the money looks good. In here, you got the ring, and then you have all the character pieces on that side and this side. So it appears to be okay. If not all the money's in here, you could always part it out. It's only $2.99, so as long as the main pieces are in here in the board, there's always money to be had parting it out, which is very easy to do. But I have a very good feeling this is going to be complete, so great find. I slid out this cool little hockey jersey, and I noticed it was signed by a bunch of people. It's $10, but it's half off $5. It's a child's size, but I don't know if these are pro players. I can't make out any of these autographs, so if anybody can make any of these out, I'm leaving it behind for $5 because these might not be anybody important, but if they are, let me know. Kind of interesting, kind of cool.